Alright everybody, on today's episode of It's Way Too Hot to Be Doing This Shit, I'm going to do rear diff fluid change on the Camaro here. Very simple, nothing really special. I'm currently using the GM recommended fluid with a little hand fluid pump. I don't overthink it. I just use the recommended fluid. It served me well so far. As far as getting the car in the air to do it, I wanted it to be level. So what I did, I think everybody's aware of my feeling about jack stands. So I got the race ramps 8-inch wheel stands, and then they're able to be separated in half, so it's 4 inches a piece. And I put one on each corner just to get it an extra 4 inches off the ground, which is pretty much perfect. It's a little tight, but I can still squeeze under there. I want to keep the car as low as to the ground as humanly possible. This is a lot safer in my opinion than jack stands. It's wheel chocks. They're rounded so the wheels, it won't roll off or anything. So yeah, we'll dive in here in a second. Alright, under the car now. Fluid draining. Just a tip. Loosen the top plug first, just to make sure. You don't want to drain this out and then not be able to get the top plug out and refill it. So loosen up the top plug first, then work on the bottom plug, let the fluid drain out. Let it sit for a little while. I'll let it sit here for a few minutes and drain it out, and then put your drain plug back in. Make sure you clean it thoroughly. I dropped one of the plugs in the gravel here, so I'm going to give it a thorough wash down before I put it back in, and then clean all the junk off of it and everything, put it back together and fill it up with a bottle of my little pump over there. Nothing to it.